In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Google Chrome on Windows in a simple, safe, and beginner-friendly way. If you've just started using a new PC or you want to switch from another browser like Microsoft Edge or Firefox, this guide will walk you through every step. Google Chrome is one of the most popular browsers in the world because it's fast, easy to use, and works well for everyday browsing, streaming, and productivity. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open any browser that is already installed on your Windows computer. You can use Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any other browser that comes with your device. You need a browser first because that's how you'll access the Chrome download page. Once your browser is open, click inside the search bar at the top and type Chrome Download PC. Then press Enter on your keyboard. After the search results appear, look for the official Google Chrome website. This part is important because you always want to download Chrome from the official source to avoid fake installers or unsafe downloads. The official result should clearly show Google or Chrome as the website name. Click on the official Chrome website link to continue. Once the Chrome website opens, you'll see the main download page for Google Chrome. On this page, look for the button that says Download Chrome. This is the button that starts the setup download for Windows. Go ahead and click Download Chrome. As soon as you click it, the Chrome setup file will begin downloading automatically to your computer. Depending on your browser and internet speed, the file may appear in the Downloads bar or in your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, you can open the setup file and continue with the installation process. And that's it. You've now successfully downloaded Google Chrome on Windows using the official website. From here, you can install it and start using Chrome as your default browser if you want. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy how-to videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.